Hello, today I want to show you some settings that you probably can change on iPads so you can improve the battery life or can improve the performance of the iPad overall. I'm using iOS 9, iPad 2, okay, so let's just do it. Go just settings and start from Wi-Fi. You can turn off the Wi-Fi if you're not using it. I think you know that already. And Bluetooth, you can also just turn off your Bluetooth. Just turn it on when you want to use it. I think you know that already. And this is big. Notifications. Go notifications and you just change the notifications to turn it off. The notification that you think you don't need, like App Store, you can put I don't need any notifications, just turn it all off. Like Australian Post, just turning it all off. This is going to improve a lot of battery life, I think. So next is control center. I don't think you need to do anything here. Just go to general. Go to general. This is also big. Go to spotlight search. This is iOS 9 only, I think. I will usually just turn off all of them. I think it's going to, like this, just turn it off. Going to improve the performance of the iPad a lot, I think. That's gonna slow down the iPad if you turn it on. And another thing that I usually do is go to accessibility and do reduce motion and just turn on the reduce motion. That's going to do like zooming in, zooming out when you close the window of the iPad. I don't like that. I think that's slow down a lot. Slow down the iPad a lot. Okay. And other things, probably if you like, you change to grayscale, but if you change the grayscale, these will turn to grayscale. That's improve the battery, but I don't think that's necessary because it's gonna look ugly. Okay, next is display and brightness. I would usually just turn off the auto brightness, just do manual, because the auto brightness, I think it's making your battery work harder. Okay, just what's next? Privacy. Go to here. Location services. You go here. Just turn on. Just turn on the location services that you want to use and turn it off that you don't want to use, like this. Never turn it on. And like App Store, you don't need that. Share my location. Since I turned it off, I think you cannot share my I cannot share my location. Okay, and you go up to, just check one by one. Just put never for notification that you're not gonna use. Okay, and just go down to system services. This is big. You turn off all of these that you don't need. I usually just turn on the setting time zone. Everything else, compass, find my iPad, blah blah blah. I don't think you will use that for iPad 2. See, you're not gonna use your iPad outside maybe, so you don't have to worry about losing your iPad. I don't think you need that. Routing, traffic, blah blah blah, everything, I usually just turn them off. This is going to save a lot of battery usage, I think. And iCloud, just turn off the iCloud. This is also making the batteries work harder. And what else? And the news. Just turn off the news. That's using up the data a lot. What else? So just turn off all the iCloud. Turn off the iCloud for photo, camera. If you don't use the iCloud, just turn it off. And you can go to some other stuff here. And again, there is a location service again for all the apps here. Just turn off anything that you don't use. Like this Candy Crush, turn off the notification and all of those. I think that's all. If you do that, hopefully it's going to save battery and improve the performance of your iPad, especially iPad 2. Thank you. Bye bye.